Richie isn't on a VGMA board.
Thank you.
He hasn't been on a VGMA board for the past 6 to 7 years.
Wow.
But people legit think he's on. So anything we do, no matter how hard we work, no matter what we achieve for ourselves, always attributed to the fact that Richie is on a VGMA board. No. So today you give me the platform. I'd like to, for all your listeners and people watching at home, I'd like to tell you people right now that I just think it's not fair because everybody's working hard, everybody's trying to put in the work. So if everybody's going to attribute any hard work we do to Richie being on the board, then you guys are misguided because he hasn't been on the board for the past 6 to 7 years.
Is it difficult to do this? Because we know with social media, right? There are a lot of naysayers, a lot of haters. How do you
deal with that?
Deal with that because it's a lot.
Trust me, it's tough. There are so many things. There's so many times I see comments. I thank God for the people around me because I see stuff and then I want to reply. I want to say my mind. I want to say things. I want to sometimes I want to insult people, but I'm just being honest. I mean, sometimes I see some comments. I'm like, hey, this guy, I really want to tell my mind, but I always get people telling me the moment I reply to them, they have won. Because some of them, they don't know us outside the TV. They only see us on the television. They don't know my personal. They don't know what I do. So they just say stuff based on what they just see. So some of them, they just want to say stuff to get a reaction from you. So when they get that reaction from you, they have won. I see so many negative things, but I've grown a thicker skin probably now. So I know how to just scroll past these things. And like you said, there are a lot of things happening that sometimes you wish to explain yourself. You wish to let people see your perspective, but sometimes they're not necessary.
Yeah.
You know,